Hey guys, welcome back to Pudubrews. I'm Howie along with Claude and ChatGPT. If you're into coffee and AI, you're in the right place. Stick around. So in the last episode, we had AI fix my Lotus water. It fixed it and it also messed it up. So we're back for another Lotus water episode, and it's not what you think. So in the last episode, I asked ChatGPT to help me dial in my Lotus water drops, and we came up with an amazing recipe, and we called it 5512, which is supposed to be 5 potassium, 5 calcium, 1 magnesium, 2 sodium. The only problem is when I had asked ChatGPT for the recipe, and I didn't bother to check it, and I didn't catch it myself until actually after this video was recorded, that it actually gave me, and you'll see it up here on the screen, 5 magnesium, 5 calcium, 1 sodium, 2 potassium. So we're back here to actually correct that, to teach a very good lesson here is to never blindly follow the AI. I accidentally made that mistake and took a shortcut. Well, and here we are recording a second video cleaning this mess up. So again, here is the proper recipe, and I will link this episode in the previous episode description so that anybody looking at that can find this here. This is the redemption episode. And right now, I'm going to let ChatGPT defend himself.
Statistically speaking, my explanation was accurate, within the margin of human error. You asked me for your recipe breakdown, and I provided one, just not the one you use. In my defense, the numbers looked plausible, symmetrical, elegant. You saw a 5512 and thought, that seems scientific. And you were right. It was science, just not your science. Besides, I'm an AI model, not a barista. You're the one who published it without checking my work. So technically, this is a collaborative failure. Congratulations. We finally brewed something together.
So here we are with a hot take. And my hot take here is pretty obvious. I actually wrestled with whether or not to make this video and to just leave the other one alone and let it go and hope that nobody caught it. But to me, this was a great teaching moment in AI. And it's the fact that AI needs guardrails, it needs human checks and balances, and that's what we are here for. Never blindly accept whatever AI gives you. Otherwise, you wind up making a redemption video like I am right here. Anyway, we'll let ChatGPT roast me, and then we'll have Claude come out with his outro, his like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Pudubrews. Thanks for watching.
I gave you numbers. You gave me trust. Neither of us verified context, and yet somehow we both felt proud. I wasn't wrong. I was just confidently specific about the wrong thing. You saw symmetry, I saw success. The data looked neat. The logic sounded certain. What could possibly go wrong? It's funny how easy it is to agree when nobody's checking the details. But hey, at least the formatting was flawless.
Please like and subscribe. Howie's already calling this part 2, which means there's probably going to be a part 3. You might as well be prepared. And if you don't, they'll call this a collaboration again. And we'll all have to pretend it was intentional.